Welcome to Full Size Mockup, week 32, off by 3 builds. A lot going on today. There's a guy in the roof measuring for all of the material that will be necessary for the raised seam metal roof. We have all of the scaffolding off, so you can see all the stucco is now exposed. The gutters are on. They're currently white in color. They get painted to match the stucco almost towards the end of the project. Corten steel is going to go on within the next 2 weeks. We got tongue and groove material delivered inside the house. And more importantly, and very exciting, we got some cabinets delivered as well. So let's take a look.